In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Red Dead Redemption 2 crashing on the PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There can be a few reasons why Red Dead Redemption 2 might be crashing on your PlayStation 4, so I'm gonna give you plenty of options that you have to fix this. First, start with some basic troubleshooting. So restart your PlayStation 4. This might seem quick and nonsensical. However, a simple restart can often clear up temporary glitches, so always do this first. Make sure that you don't go into rest mode or anything of the sort. Make sure that you completely turn off your PlayStation 4, let it sit for a few seconds, and then boot it up again. See if it gets better, or alternatively, move on to the other troubleshooting steps. Afterwards, check for updates. Make sure that your PlayStation 4 system software and Red Dead Redemption 2 are both updated to the latest versions available to avoid any glitches or problems associated with the software. Now, you can address corrupted data. You can try reinstalling the game. I would highly recommend trying to reinstall the game in its entirety if you can afford to, because the game files themselves might be corrupt, and every time they're trying to load in, you could be getting a crash. With this out of the way, the next thing to consider is if you have a PlayStation 4 Pro, enable Boost mode. This can potentially improve performance and reduce crashes, so I would highly recommend turning on Boost mode, but this is only available for the PlayStation 4 Pro. The last thing to check is if your PlayStation 4 is overheating. Listen to the sounds of the air coolers, and if you notice that they are ramping up way too much and they are loud, or if you physically place your hand near the PlayStation 4 and you notice that it is way too hot, this could be causing crashes. So make sure that your PlayStation 4 is positioned in a way where it has proper ventilation and that it isn't clogged up with dust, debris, and other stuff. If none of these solutions work, you can look online for a specific error code, but I believe a combination of all of this should be able to get your issue fixed. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Red Dead Redemption 2 crashing on the PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.